This heart beats 1,000 times per second. Inside the heart of joy, the BMW Dynamic Performance Control opens a new era for electric driving. Developed and designed from scratch and built entirely in-house, it embodies a spirit of tireless engineering, millions of test kilometers completed under all conditions, and decades of experience in driving dynamics development. It is the result of true passion for the joy of driving. For the first time, powertrain and chassis control are merged into just one central superbrain. With a latency of less than a few milliseconds, it responds 10 times faster than today. When driving dynamically towards a bend, the vehicle starts to recuperate as soon as the accelerator pedal is released. At the entrance to the curve, the recuperation is distributed and continuously shifted between both axles. The brake pedal increases recuperation without the brake intervening. So there is no brake jolt, and the driver can accelerate out of the bend early and rear biased without understeering. Even in an adverse driving situation, the vehicle uses recuperation on both axles for driving stability and precision, minimizing brake intervention. A seamless interplay between deceleration and acceleration results in the highest level of drive comfort. Unmatched smoothness, even at lower speed, and efficient recuperation to a full stop. The BMW Dynamic Performance Control provides an unrivaled experience in every driving situation. This is analog driving in a digital age. This is the heart of joy.